Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So I got a request from a parent or someone that saw a hairstyle on Instagram and I didn't do a video for it. So today I'm going to try and recreate the video. So our hair has been washed, and to wash our hair we use the shampoo from Jamaican Mango and Lime. This is what she likes using. Yeah, and then to deep condition her hair we use the pure oil deep conditioner, and I'm stretching our hair with the snappy. So this is our one way that we stretch our hair really quickly. So our hair is still a little bit damp, and we're gonna start doing the style now. To do the style I will be using a leave-in conditioner, and is this Suave all natural leave-in conditioner thing right here, and to moisturize her hair and to kind of add a little bit of slickness to it. She likes this, so we're gonna be using it. That's what she chose. And this is also the Jamaican Mango and Lime with moringa seed oil and manuka honey. Okay, so we're on the last one right over here, and as you guys see, I've pretty much been doing the same thing, adding the grow, starting at the ends and working my way through, making sure I get it on the hair, length of the hair, and then taking the locking gel right here, and this locking gel is so moisturizing. Our hair stays moisturized for a long time. And I usually put it also at the ends of our hair. Even though it's gel, our hair stays very moisturized even with it. And then I am using elastic for this style. You don't have to, but the elastic kind of gives it a different style. Before then, I always comb out the hair. Links to everything I'm using is going to be in the description area. So just smoothing, and I try to smoothen this. If you notice, the top area has a curve to it, just to give it a different look to it. So I've already combed out the hair. So just take your elastic. If the hair is bigger, use 2 elastic. If it's not, use 1 elastic. Now this style is very good as a chunky hairstyle. Usually when you make it smaller, the twist smaller, it gives it a different look. So that is something. And then when you use the elastic, make sure that the hair still has movement. If I zoom in, you guys can see that the hair still has movement at the base. The base is not tight at all. There's still movement right there. Then you're gonna do a rope twist. I don't know if you guys got the method of rope twisting. You take the hair, you divide it into 2. Now I'm gonna take this hair, I'm gonna turn it, and as I turn it, I'm rotating this, and then I'm turning again, I'm rotating, always rotating. Now when you are twisting, don't twist forward because we want it to be as a puff. So you're gonna pretty much twist backwards. So I'm just letting her elevate her head just a little bit so that you all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just taking the hair and just twisting. Twist the hair, turn the hair as you twist. Okay, so we're just turning the hair as you twist, and you're twisting towards the center of the hair, and so that you can get that cute ponytail look. Okay, so once you get to the very end of the hair like that, all you do, because people ask me, how do you keep the ends from not unraveling? So all I'm doing for the ends, I make sure the ends is well moisturized. For me, I'm adding a little bit of the gel to it because the gel is also moisturizing and it gives the hair a very good shine. And I'm just gonna take my finger and just roll it around like that, and that is what keeps the hair secure. Look how big this twist is. You see how big this is? See, it still keeps it secure. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the style. This is what the style looks like when you're done. You can pretty much wear it like this, but she's a grown girl. She's not gonna be wearing it out like this. So the way that she likes wearing it, or we're gonna wear it for her, is we're gonna take this and we're gonna move it to the center. Okay, moving everything to the center like a puff. And when I move it to the center, if you see the front, look down. So the front has that curvage that I was talking about. And we're just going to move it to the center. I'm doing a little bit off the center. Then I'm going to grab my snappy. This is a snappy from Slowly Curly hair. So now I'm just going to unsnap it. And you can find details and discount on the screen and also in the description area. So I'm just taking this and I'm just tying this and then snapping it. This snaps really easily, so we just take it and we're just snapping it like that. See, take it and just snap like that very easily. So once you've snapped it, now the hair, I'm just gathering up the hair at the ends and I'm just doing this so that all the hair gathers together. And watch what I do. So this is so easy. So you just gather all the ends of the hair, and this protects the ends of the hair, and you just want to tuck it into the snappy and roll it in, and this creates this look that you see right over there. You see how cute that is? This is elegant, this is cute. She can put a headband on, she can wear it like this, she can wear it like this if she wants. I did it off center so it gives it that off-centered look. And this is pretty much the style that we're doing today. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please click the subscribe button and don't forget
like, comment, share it to the world, And
we'll see you
yeah.
in the next video. Yeah, so this is the style, and look down so that you can see. Cute.